Welcome to the Minisforum server. Here is a beginner's guide. When you enter the server for the first time, you will see a question like this. Here are the useful options. Choose according to your preferences and needs. Then you will be recommended to related topics. This is the page you will see after entering the server. This area contains some tasks that can help you quickly get familiar with the Minisforum server. Clicking will jump to the corresponding topic. It is worth mentioning that at Minisforum Club, where we welcome everyone to share their stories and discoveries with Minisforum. Some information such as discounts can be viewed here. After clicking, the information will appear on the right side for easy viewing. Here, you can hide some unnecessary topics according to your needs and preferences. You can also choose to view it directly here, and relevant topics will appear on the right.